Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW T-Roc R-Line. This car comes with a 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 20 and it is a one owner vehicle with full service history from Volkswagen, and this particular colour is called the Ravenna Blue and looks in great condition with the black roof combination, the age and mileage of the car. And as we have a look inside, you've got the nice and clean interior, and being the R-Line, you've also got the sports seats, which are really comfy and supportive. There's a armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers as well. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has heated front seats, active cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, the digital display, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being a bigger car than the Golf, rear passengers have a lot more legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have 2 USB-C charging ports there in the centre. And it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from VW T. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is also adjustable, so you can have it at the height now, or you can lower it to increase the volume. And below that you've got some extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.